Have you ever wondered how to set up bulk email marketing for your business? Do you often wonder how to keep your email organized? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up organized bulk email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about bulk email marketing and keeping your email box organized. Now let's get into it. Email marketing is a prominent player in the marketing sector. Email marketing has the highest possibility of the lead generation than other leading bulk marketing tools such as bulk SMS marketing software, bulk WhatsApp marketing software, etc. Bulk email marketing needs the only email a particularly interested customer who is really interested in purchasing the bulk email marketing packages. Magic Web Services provide rich user interface bulk email marketing software, and their built-in the facility are as follow. Built-in email templates. MWS Bulk Email Marketing Software provides a ready-made email template which makes the process very easy to send beautiful bulk emails to clients to generate good leads. Facility to create beautiful HTML emails. Create a beautiful HTML email according to your design pattern to attract customers and generate huge leads by depicting the product quality in one email to make the customer satisfied with the product quality and become ready to buy products or services. Built-in spam checker. While importing bulk email, there are chances that many of that email is not currently working state. This email address is automatically separated by the bulk email marketing software to reduce the spam email. MWS Bulk Email Marketing Software tries to avoid emails going into the spam folder. Multiple format import content in bulk. In MWS Bulk Email Marketing Software support multiple format content imports such as Microsoft Excel format, Microsoft Word format, PDF format, CSV format, etc. Real-time report generation. Every effective and speed report generation of the number of emails delivered, the number of emails viewed, the number of emails that go in the spam folder, the number of emails unread, and a number of emails pending to send to customers. User-friendly interface. MWS Bulk Email Marketing Software provides a very good user-friendly interface which makes sending bulk emails almost automatic and fast and always ready to customize customer requirements if required. Automatic process and an unsubscribe facility. Magic Web Services provide bulk email marketing software which provides an automatic process and email templates which have an unsubscribe option. Then this email will automatically be removed from the campaign and no new email will be sent. Google Analytics integration. Magic Web Services provide the facility to integrate Google Analytics with email software for a better understanding of behavior, location of the customer, and better report generation. In short, Magic Web Services is a leading bulk email service provider in Mumbai, India for the last 5 years, and its primary motto is to fulfill the business criteria of clients and try to make their business grow by consulting them on how to use marketing tools efficiently for their business growth. Keeping your email box organized and ready for business. Learning how to get the most organization from your email software is very likely the most important skill you can learn to conduct successful online home business. There are 3 primary email applications on the market that folks use to manage their incoming POP3 email. Those 3 are Middle.Microsoft Outlook Express, Middle.Eudora, Middle.Netscape Mail. In order to get the most from your email software, there are 3 key processes that you should learn. These processes are concerned with data organization, saving time, and email database management. Set up email folders. The organization is key to any emails that you intend to save. Having 2,000 emails in one folder is a surefire roadmap to confusion and lost communications and information. You are the best judge as to how to organize your email into topics that provide an easy method of retrieval of the information when you need it most. Fortunately, the primary email browsers make it easy to organize your information. By allowing you to create folders within your email software, you can file specific emails into folders dedicated to the topic of the email. To create new folders, Outlook Express. 1. Click File, Folders, New. Alternatively, you may also right-click an item in the folder window, and then type in the name of your new folder. Highlight the folder above where you would like your new folder to be placed, and then click OK. Eudora. Click on Mailbox, New, or right-click on Eudora in the Folders window and then click on New. When the window opens, type in the name of your new mailbox and click OK. If you want to create a folder to place other mailboxes into, click the checkbox before clicking OK. Netscape Mail. Click File, New Folder. Then from the drop-down menu, select the folder that you wish to be the folder directly above your new folder, before clicking OK. Filtering Email. Email filters are a tool to help you save time and frustration. Have you ever lost an incoming email under the deluge of emails coming into your mailbox? With filters, you can direct the important email or not so important email into certain preordained folders. As part of the war against spam, most ISPs use filters every day in an attempt to keep the spam out of your mailbox. In fact, I even use filters to sort my incoming mail trying to catch the spam my ISP missed. Don't be fooled into thinking you need some special software to filter your email. Setting up filters is actually quite easy. Outlook Express. Click on Tools, Message Rules, Mail. Setting up filters is actually quite easy. Just follow the instructions provided to direct mail based on certain criteria into certain folders. Eudora. Click on Special, Make Filter. Once again, just follow the instructions in the filter wizard. Netscape Mail. Click on Edit, Mail Filters. Then click on New in the wizard. Once you click on New, you will be taken to a new wizard window. Follow the instructions here, then when you are done, click on OK. This will return you to the first window where you will set up the sorting order of your filter. Cleaning and compressing your mail data. This is an important part of your email management. When you no longer need an email, it should be deleted. When you first delete an email, your software will send the email to the trash bin. Your email is not actually deleted until you first empty your trash bin. Emptying your trash bin compresses the mailboxes from where the email was originally filed. This is absolutely paramount to the protection of your email data. If you go too long between compressing your email data, then your email data could become corrupted and you might need assistance in recovering your email data. Even after you have emptied your trash, compressing folders is a recommended step to prevent other data corruption. Once you understand that an email does not actually move from one folder to another until the folder is compressed, then you can better appreciate this advice. As an example, when email comes into your main inbox, the data connected to email appears in two files. One file contains the header and body of the email. The other file contains only the email header information. When an email is moved from one folder to the other, only the header information is actually moved. The body information will not be deleted from the original folder until which time the original folder is compressed. This explains the purpose of emptying the trash and compressing folders. If the email was simply moved from the inbox to another folder, then emptying the trash is not enough. The original placement of the email is not actually removed from the file that contains the body information until the message has been designated for compression. To empty your trash, Outlook Express. Click on Edit, empty the deleted items folder. To compress the remaining folders, click on Tools, Options, then click on the tab for Maintenance. Then click the button that says, Clean Up Now. Once the compression is completed, click OK. Eudora. Click Special, Empty Trash. To compress the remaining items that need compression, then click on Special, Compact Mailboxes. Netscape Mail. Click on File, Empty Trash Folder. To compress the mailboxes, click on File, Compress Folders. I cannot stress enough how important it is that you utilize the tools for emptying the trash and compressing the mail folders. Protecting your email data on a regular basis is good practice for avoiding disaster in your mailbox. So many of us rely upon our email software to keep our online business running smoothly. Once you master the tools provided in Your email software, your online business will run smoothly also. Let me share one important lesson I've learned about computer software. One should never be afraid to try new things. How to get the most out of your software relies upon your willingness to dig in and learn how to use it. Once you learn how to use your software to its full potential, then your life will be greatly simplified and your effectiveness will be dramatically improved. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about bulk email marketing and keeping your email box organized. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.